my dear students, get ready for today's EVS class. Students, tell me, what do you know about the Chipko movement? The word Chipko in English means hugging. So, what is the meaning of Chipko? It means hugging. Means hugging something. So, it started in the hills because people were cutting down too many trees. The villagers used to hug trees to stop others from cutting them. So एक टाइम था जब चिपको मूवमेंट शुरू हुआ था, चिपको आंदोलन शुरू हुआ था। और ये क्यों शुरू हुआ था? ट्रीज़ को बचाने के लिए, क्योंकि लोग हिल्स पे ट्रीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा कट कर रहे थे। तो लोगों ने सोचा कि ट्रीज़ को कैसे बचाएं। सो दे स्टार्टेड टू hug trees to save them from cutting. Clear, students? Now students, tell me, why did the villagers not allow trees to be cut down? When firstly I would like to tell you about a movement when lots of people get together to solve a problem. We call it a movement. The villagers knew that the trees gave them many things to help them live. And some people used to cut trees for their greed. Cutting trees would destroy the forest and people would not get things from trees. The villagers also wanted to keep the forest for its beauty. Clear, students? Students, as you know, we are doing block 7, importance of plants, and today we will think of our own way that can help protect plants. Clear, students? Now students, tell me, how can we take care of plants? Let's discuss the answer. We need to take care of plants by watering them regularly, removing their dead parts and keeping them in sunlight. We should not pluck leaves and flowers from trees for fun. I hope answer is clear to you all that how can we take care of plants. Now students, tell me why we should take care of plants. Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. Plants give us many things, so we need to take care of them. We cannot completely stop cutting trees, but we can try not to waste the plant products we use. We can use favor things from plants which we do not need. We can save trees if we do not waste paper. For every tree we cut, we can plant more trees. So जितने भी हम trees cut करते हैं उतने ही हम और ज़्यादा plant grow कर सकते हैं. We can plant more trees. I hope you understand that. So in today's class we have learnt why we need to take care of plants and ways to take care of plants and reduce cutting of trees. Clear, students? So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. Question is, we see lots of plants on the roadside. Who take care of these plants? Let's discuss the answer. Some of the plants are taken care of by the government. Some of the plants grow on their own and nobody looks after them. I hope answer is clear to you all. Now students, please open your content book of EVS. Lesson number 4, ways to take care of plants. Let's start reading. Plants are very useful to us, so we need to take care of them. Clear, students? Here are some ways to take care of plants. First one is water the plants regularly. Next one is make sure that indoor plants get enough fresh air because plants need air and water to grow properly. Next one is prune the plants from time to time. Prune, as you can see in the picture, pruning plants, छटाई करना उनकी. Prune the plants from time to time. Next one is do not walk on the grass. Next one is do not pick leaves or flowers. And next one is do not scratch or write on tree trunks. So we should not scratch and write on tree trunks. Next one is reduce the use of things we get from plants like paper. We should not waste paper. Students, did you know plants help to maintain the oxygen balance on earth? Living organisms need oxygen to live. We also need to live. We also need oxygen to live. Clear, students? I hope lesson is clear to you all. Now students, please open your worksheet. As for question number 1 is tick the correct ways to take care of plants. So you have to tick the correct ways of take care of plants. First one is we should water the plants. Yes, this is a right way, correct way. So we will tick in the box. Yes. Next one is we should pick leaves from the plants whenever we want. So क्या ये एक right way है कि हम leaves को pick कर सकते हैं जब भी हम चाहते हैं? No. So you can cross in this way. Next one is we should remove dead leaves and flowers from the plants. Yes, it is the right way. And fourth one is we should scratch and write on the trunks of trees. क्या ये right way है? No, it is not a correct way. Next question is why do we need to plant trees? So why do we need to plant trees? Yes, plants are very useful for us. We get many things from plants like paper and medicines. So we need to plant trees. They are very useful for our living. Clear, students? Third question is how can we reduce the number of trees being cut down? We can reduce the number of trees being cut down by do not waste things that we get from trees. Clear? We can try not to waste the plant product we use. We can use fewer things from plants which we do not need. I hope worksheet is clear to you all. Now students, you have to do practice question number 7. Why do we usually see parrots in trees that have ripe fruit? Yes, because parrots like to eat ripe fruit. Clear, students? Next one is question number 8. What would happen to monkeys if there were no trees or forests? So trees are the home of monkeys. Many monkeys live on trees. Clear, students? They get their food from trees. So you have to do practice question number 7 and practice question number 8. Thank you everyone for watching this video.